Hey there, Chuck from Bethel IT again. Thank you guys so much for sharing our videos and liking and doing all the fun Facebook things that we do. Since we don't do much advertising, it is the primary way that the word gets out about us. So we really do appreciate it and really do sincerely thank you all. I know that you mostly probably know us as a repair shop here in town in Bethel, Connecticut. But that is not our primary business. I know we share a lot of videos about the broken computers that come in this shop with malware and broken screens and keys popping off and whatever it is. But our primary business is as a managed service provider. And what a managed service provider is, and maybe you've heard MSP, we're essentially an outsourced help desk. So businesses of 15 office employees or less can use us to manage their computers, to maintain their systems, and to provide help desk support to them on an ongoing basis. That's where our bread and butter is. That's what allows us to stay here and keep the door open for the community to come in and drop off their computers. So if you know any other smallish businesses that need some support, they need help with their day-to-day computer operations, they need somebody to be doing the care and feeding of all their computers and servers and network and all that good stuff, or if you know somebody that's complaining about their current folks, whether they're too expensive or they don't know what they're paying for, they don't know if they're going to get a call back, if they don't know if somebody's going to pick up the phone at all, please have them give us a call. We'd love to have a chat and discuss what kind of options we have for them. All right, thanks so much for checking in with us again, and we really would appreciate it if you would share this and let any of your small business owner friends know that we're here and we're ready to help them. All right, thanks so much everyone. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful day.